Hi, I'm Shani Imuardo, and today I'll share my reflection on Chapter 10 of El Filibusterismo. For my reflection, I focus on how El Filibusterismo shows the darker and more radical side of Rizal's ideas. Compared to No Limitang Here, this novel exposes deeper corruption, greed, and the widening gap between the rich and the poor. The story of Simon reveals how injustice can push a person toward anger and revenge when peaceful reforms no longer seem possible. But through the ending, Rizal reminds us that true change cannot be built on hatred. Instead, it must come from education, moral leadership, and collective awakening. The novel challenges us to reflect on how power is used in society and what happens when people lose hope in fair systems. El Filibusterismo teaches us that transformation requires courage, patience, and integrity. Well, I guess that's all for today. Thank you for listening and see you to the next chapter.